Good PM. Ngayon po ay Monday, June 3, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong Monday, June 3, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong June 3, 2024 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Monday, June 3, 2024. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 is 17.5 million pesos and Grand Lotto 655 estimated jackpot price is 29.7 million pesos for June 3, 2024, Monday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Monday, June 3, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.